Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha VStar 950. This twin-cylinder 950cc cruiser just arrived with only 13,000 miles. Gorgeous metallic red paint scheme, rider floorboards, saddlebags, belt drive, so no chain to mess with. Come on by, make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.